Hi all, welcome back to my channel. This is Joe. I'm bringing you a very special episode starring Darth Vader. Not really, it's just me. I want to do an unboxing of a very nice collectible piece that I bought and I just received. And I wanted to introduce you with this. This is more of a toy, not a collectible. But I wanted to bring it to you a little different and with Darth Vader in this one. So give me a second. Hot in there. This piece is not the one I am talking about that I want to show you. This piece I got from Hasbro. It's really nice and it's detailed. You can see the inside. You know, it has red lenses, so you see everything red, just like Darth Vader. It's pretty nice, but it's not movie accurate. What I want to show you and unbox to you. Let me get set up here. As you can tell, I'm very excited. I need to move my camera like way up. And then okay, let me just get my camera position. Is that focused there? You guys focused? I hope so. All right, so here we go. So I just received this in the mail. It is let's see if you can read this. It is an EFX collectible. And it's none other than the Darth Vader helmet precision crafted replica from Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope. This is a big box, and I'm really trying to get my camera as high as I can. And I want to share the unboxing with you. I haven't opened it yet. So let's do that right now. Very carefully, get a razor, cut the tape. So, I bought this off of sideshow.com, and when I saw that it was available, I try and log into that website every once in a while just to see if there's anything cool and new that I would purchase, you know. And I came across this, and I was like, oh wow, this is cool. I already have the Hasbro one. This will make a nice addition to my collection. But unfortunately, it was already sold out. So I put my name on the waiting list, and after some time, they emailed me and said, yeah, you still interested? You know, somebody canceled or whatever. I have like 72 hours to respond, and I jumped on it. And supposedly, this company, EFX, took the original, the actual studio version of Darth Vader's helmet from Episode 4, and I guess lasered it and got the exact dimensions of everything, and created an exact replica. Like the one from Hasbro, you can tell it's not really the original helmet. It's got different tusks. It's got, you know, different shape. It's more refined. But from Episode 4, it was kind of like they were just starting out making movies, Lucasfilm, and So everything was crude, a little bit, on the rough side, and it improved with each movie. So, like I said, this box is big. I don't know if I could show you everything. See, and it tells you right here, not intended for use as a toy. The Hasbro one is a toy. You could put it on, make the breathing sound, and they want you to register this. We got a certificate of authenticity. I got a feeling like my camera's all blurry. And I'm just gonna hold this. So we got a certificate of authenticity from EFX. It does not, I don't know if there is a serial number. So let's take a peek. I don't know what's up with my camera. And they want me to register it. So I have to, it's got a warranty, my certificate. Okay, and then I just fill this out and send it in, place a stamp. Okay. Let me get lowered here and then bring the model up. Not the model, but the collectible, the helmet. Oh wow, okay, nice molded plastic to protect it. And another piece of plastic here. See, and it has that dull finish, the flat black, just like in the New Hope. All the later versions of the Star Wars movies, they polished it up. So I think if you're doing cosplay, this will be a more accurate version for you to wear. And just one more piece of plastic here. Okay, let's take off the helmet. See if the helmet pops out. Okay, it does. Okay, all right, there's no like instruments or stuff inside. It's just a shell of the actual movie version of the helmet. It's got some padding for your cheeks, and then the helmet fits on top. I don't know if there's a wait list still open for this or if they're completely sold out, but I got this at sideshow.com. Okay, there is a magnet here by the bridge of the nose, and you can, that way the helmet stays on. So this is pretty neat. I like it. See, it has the right tusks there. There. That's better. It fits on just like that. So this is this movie replica version. This is the Hasbro version. You see they spruced it up, made it look more, put more mechanical stuff in there, even on the inside, and it's got good magnets, but it is slightly different. This one's got like a bigger crown. The this piece is different. The eyebrows are a little different. The helmet sits lower over the eyebrows. The tusks are different. The grill is pretty much the same, and the nose, but the dimples are a little bigger on this one. I don't know if you saw anything I just said. I didn't have my camera properly. So this is, in this one is the movie version, and then this one is from Hasbro. You can see here, it has a thicker edge here. The helmet sits lower over the eyebrow. It's got the dimples here that are bigger, the correct tusks. The grill looks the same, the nose is the same. This one's got like a bigger crown, and this piece is different. The Hasbro version, it's more streamlined. This is kind of like bulbous here. It's got like a knife edge. It sits up higher. These dimples are a little smaller, different tusks. These got like a machine finish to it. They have like grips on them. And that's about it. So I wanted to show you guys that. I was expecting maybe something a little more detailed, other than just the basic shape is what they're giving you here. And so I don't know, you decide if I had a good deal or not. The Hasbro one is much more detailed, and it has a sound effect just like this. Hey, which one do you like better? This one was a lot more expensive than this one. I don't know why, except that it's more of a name brand thing, and it's supposed to be movie accurate. These things here are a lot different. Oh, they're kind of the same, but it's like, I don't know. So anyway, I'm gonna add this to my collection. Maybe find a case to put it in, and so to protect it. And then I wish it had, like, on my Stormtrooper helmet, they have like a voice box. When you speak, it makes the Stormtrooper voice. I wish one or both of these had that too. It made the Darth Vader voice. It would be cool. It just does the breathing. It also has this neck piece, you know, so this will stay on your head better. It's got adjustable straps. Adjustable strap here, padding for your head. It's got a lot of detail inside, showing you all the mechanics of his life support systems. And this clamps here. So, like I said, it stays on your head. Maybe I have this upside down. I think that's better, just like that. So you guys in the comments, you vote which one would you prefer? The Hasbro version, and they're probably sold out of this too, Hasbro.com, or you could go to the Hasbro Pulse app and see if it's still available. Or do you like the collectible helmet from EFX, which it's got a pretty strong magnet. It's got a magnet in the brow, and then plus it has this piece that goes inside here. It fits nice and snug. It also has a strap, but there's 0 details inside. That's the magnet here. And it has a beige lens. The Hasbro has a red lens. This one's got a Velcro strap to adjust it, and then a adjustable buckle strap here. You got some cheek padding, and that's about it. It is pretty basic, other than just the knowledge that they made an exact duplicate and so many pieces, like a limited amount of what they used in A New Hope. I'll comment on which one I like better after I get a bunch of comments on your vote of which one do you like better, and which one do you think is more worth it. I think the Hasbro was $150, and then I'll tell you the price of this one if you guys want to know. Hey, this grill looks like it's metal, just like chicken wire. The other one was plastic. Okay, thanks guys. Just want to share this video with you, and we'll see you next time when I continue my 1970 Dodge Charger. I just got 20 stages left.